Yes! And one! And first for the team. One hand free throw. Wala. Okay, fires for three. Wala. And now, Manos. Yes, sir. Two. The point guard, Aldino. As to Kahayagan. Back to Aldino. 15 to shoot. And now, Rojas. To Kahayagan jumper. Wala. Another opportunity. Kahayagan to jersey number 5. Wala. Ipot back by Ruas. Wala pa rin. And now Pagutayaw grabs the ball. Long pass to jersey number 40. Jumper. No good. Odino. Odino naman. To Ruas. And another pass break. Slowly but surely, itong Kahayagan. Pass to Crucio. Ordino. Great pass inside, but and now Manos. Great pass to Pagutayaw. Drive. Wala. And Rojas, long pass to Ordino. And intercepted by jersey number 40. Pass to jersey number 18. Pagutayaw to jersey number 75. And now, Odino. 15 to shoot. For 3. Rojas, wala. And Odino, layup. Miss again. And another opportunity. Daming chance ng KBC. Umatake. 8 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 20. Remaining time. Crucio to Kahayagan. Fires for 3. No good. And Manos, jersey number 5. Against Odino. 15 to shoot. He bangs and intercepted by the KBC. Odino. Odino now. Matras muna. Pass to jersey number 5. 15 to shoot. And intercepted. Another pass break opportunity. Manos 3 against 2. Layup by Bibang. 3 minutes and 38.
Time out tayo.
Reserve timeout ang KBC. Odino. Odino pass to and intercepted na naman. Another long pass. To Manos. Hinihintay muna si Pagutayaw. Yes, sir. And now, pass for 3. Itong si Mr. Rojas. Wala. And another pass break to jersey number 18. Hintay muna ang kasama by Pagutayaw. 15 to shoot. Jumper is no good. And now, Odino. Odino Dominis Carte. Pass to as inside. Wala. And
Dua-dua.
now, fires for 3. Air ball. Long pass to Coach Bibang. Yes, sir. And now, intercepted. Nakapawi doon. Kahayagan. Pass to jersey number 5. Omatake. Yes, sir. Another pass break to jersey number 18 rather. Pass inside to Bibangs. Wala. And Rojas to jersey number 5 na naman.
Balik.
Odino to jersey number 5. Jumper, yes sir. 15 to shoot. Fires 3.
Daga dun.
Grabs. Ora. And agawan ni Pagutayaw. Pass to Coach Bibang.
Silang.
2 against 1. Easy bucket by jersey. Layup. A fast break. Kahayagan. Jumper. Wala. 3-minute time for the first period. Pass to jersey number 18. Back to Tin to shoot. Ibang jumper. Yes, sir. And jersey number 5 kasinabi to Odino. Wala. Pass break na naman. Ito, Odino. Kasinabi Liap, wala. And opportunity by the ankle.
Dula na.
Tuntuluda. Manos to Coach Bibang na naman. Jumper, yes sir! Last 5 seconds. Time. And now, jumper. Number 8, Tilak.
Set nila.
Number 44, Sir Okoy. Jersey number 44. Intercepted by Pisto. Nauna for layup. 2 points by Pisto. Manong Jane. Inuhaldo. 15 to shoot. To Inares. Jumper by Tilap. Wala. And now. Gumayaw. So 15 to shoot. Gumayaw now. Uno Diskarte. Pass to 10 to shoot. And now Gumayaw. Pass to Bayukat. 5 to shoot. Jumper. Wala. To jersey number 6. And namali yung pasa. It turned over. And now Padillo. And intercepted. A pass back opportunity. Jumper to Okoy. Yes sir. And now Padillo. Pass to Gumaya. 15 to shoot. Arts for 3. Short. And now Padillo. Foul. And now 10 to shoot. Obligar. And it turned over na naman. And now Okoy na naman. Pass to jersey number 6. 15 to shoot. To Leonares. Back to Inuhaldo. 10 to shoot. And intercepted by Obligar. Layup, but and intercepted by Sir Okoy. Libre. Yes sir. Obligar to and grabe mao gini ang teknik ga pangayo bisag sa kontra. And first second attempt, brother. Yes, Padillo. Pass to Pisto jumper. Wala. Ipot back. Yes sir. Nakuha ni Gumayaw. Gumayaw now against Inuhaldo. And against 12 against 25. Score 12. Gab 12 pa daw na Gab. Okoy. And 45 seconds para sa atong second period. To Inuhaldo. Jumper is short. Another opportunity but naagaw doon. And now into shoot. So next game 39 under KBC. Padillo.
Dula, pasa.
To Gumayaw. Back to Padillo. Jumper. Wala. And Tilap. Rebound on Leonares. Period. Okoy to Inuhaldo. Jumper again. Short pa rin. And now Padillo. To Gumayaw. Ayukot. Jumper. Short. So another fast break opportunity. Okoy, jersey number 44. Kinaliwa but no good. And now Padillo for the power rebound. Bayukot to Pisto. Open. Yes sir. And now, pass to Inuhaldo. Jumper. Wala pa rin. And now, Obligar. Pass to Bayukot. And Chris shot ay pass break na naman to Okoy. Saving time. 15 to shoot. Cristo, spin move. But no good. Tila for the rebound. Tila, long pass to Inuhaldo. Inuhaldo umatras muna. Veterans move. Inagaw ni jersey number 6. 15 to shoot. To Inuhaldo. Jumper. Open. Yes, sir. And now, Padillo. Padillo against Tila. Great match up. No good. And ipot back by Visto. No good again. To Padillo. Yes. Hangin. And now, Okoy again. Control the ball. 1 minute and 18 seconds. 15 to shoot. To Tilap. Jumper. Open. Yes, sir. 15 to shoot. Kumayaw. Control the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 54 seconds remaining time. 5 to shoot. And now, a pass break opportunity by Okoy na naman. Iniwan ka Leonares. Last 36 seconds. Jumper, Leonares, wala. Obligar. Last 30 seconds. Obligar now. Pass to Bayukot. Short. To Gumayo, jumper. Yes, sir. Tony Padillo. Jumper. Yes, sir. 5 seconds. Second free throw. Wala. Ipot back. Wala again. Another chance. Yes, sir. First personal foul by jersey number 5 and penalty. Isa another naman. Opportunity. 43 against Labaw na. Ay, Tony. Labaw na ang KBC. And now, Manos. Pass to Soliano. To Pagutayaw. 15 to shoot. Agot. Dumariscarte. Jumper. Short. And now, Manos.
Okay.
Ordino. To Kahayagan. Pass to Kasinabe. And intercepted.
Nice one.
And yes, sir. A pass break opportunity. And Agot now. To Pagutayaw. Yes, sir. 35 seconds. And another pass break opportunity. Manos against Roas to Soliano. First attempt by Soliano. Perfect. Wide. Umabot konsihal Jason Ayala and Vince Melendez. Another opportunity. Ayala. Wala. And first 20 seconds.
Wala sub daw.
And say, and Rojas grabs the ball. And now Ordino, great pass to Padillo. And there's a block shot. Matakuha and now, last 10 seconds. Padillo, jumper. Yes, sir. And
Fourth quarter na
6 minutes and 76 seconds. Yes, another easy points by Puntos. And now Ordino, pass to Kahayagan. And now 15 to shoot. First personal foul and first for the team. And now Bayukot. Second personal foul by Okoy Runner. 15 to shoot. Pass inside to Costa naman. Wala. And now Bayukot long pass to Ordino. Ordino umatras muna. Ordino great pass to Kasinabe. Open itong si Kahayaga. Itong KBC. And now Manos will bring the ball. 15 to shoot. Manos against Bayukot. Manos umatras. Pass to Okoy. 10 to shoot. Okoy to Coach Bibang sa naman. Yes, sir! Now, Gumayaw. Gumayaw to Kasinabi jumper. Yes, sir! Pass to Bagotayaw to Manos. 15 to shoot. And to Tilak. 10 to shoot. To Manos. Wide open itong si Manos. No good. And now, grabs the ball by the KBC. Long pass na naman Gumayaw. Give and go to Ordino. Yes, sir! And now, Bibang sa naman. And segundo.
Atong aptikon nga kagawan sa Barangay Kasisang.
Okay, atong vlogger niya, si Mr.
Oh,
Aleria. Pinakakusgan. KBC, Ball Club. Thank you, Mr. Aleria. What a nice play, but wala. And now, kahayagan na naman. Kahayagan. Atras muna itong si Kahayagan. At si Bayukot to Gumayaw. Open. And hindi nakatakbo si Bayukot. And now, Manos. Guarded by Ordino. In favor of KBC. Unos free throw by Paul Manos. Jersey number 5. Wala. A post back. Yes, sir. Bagotayaw.
Tataon na sila ba?
Now. And second team foul. Ordino. And Bayukot. Apat na lang ang lamang Adilio against Manos. Pakitaasan ng katawan. And Kasinabi.
Awanasan! Awanasan! Awanasan!
Ay, to shoot! Now, Okoy.
Reserve time out.
Reserve timeout ang GBC. And tuloy-tuloy. Timeout start to Toby Surya. Okay. So, Kahayagan. Kahayagan now. Tumili Iskarte. Pass to Inball. 15 to shoot. Jumper. No good. And now, drops the ball by Inuhado. Pass to Okoy. Atras muna itong si Okoy. Hinintay si Manos. 15 to shoot. Okoy, almost. With pass to Bagotayaw. Short. And now Ordino against Okoy.
Dot!
Fires for 3. Rojas. Yes, sir! Grabe. It got 3 points by Rojas. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. And now, Manos against Kahayagan. 10 to shoot. Tumisat si Manos. And foul by Rojas and 13 foul. 2 minutes and 43. Bonus free throw, wala. And now Rojas. Paso Ordino. And nabasa yun ni Mr. Okoy. Magaling tong mag-Okoy. Itong si Mr. Okoy. And now Manos. 15 to shoot. Jumper is no good. And now tamaan yun. And now Ordino. Tumuloy ito Kahayagan. Kasi sinabi ito Rojas. Attempt for 3 but it's a break. And there's a black shot. Ipot back. Wala. Sayang. Bayukot. Last 2 minutes. Jumper by Tilap. No good. And Kahayagan. Battle for the rebound. And now Kahayagan. And now Bagotayaw drive. Wild drive. Yes. Lamang na isang puntos na lang ang lamang ng KBC. And now Kasinabi. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Umaatake. Jumper. Yes, sir. 2 points. And now Tilak. Tilak Dominic jersey number 8. And pinanti na pala ang KBC. And warning itong angkol. Tilak jersey number 8. Bakit?
Huwag masya, time out ah.
Brought to you by Consel Ayala and Vince Melendez. Man-to-man defense by Okoy now, control the ball. And now, 15 to shoot. Hilap. And from Kalasungay, pero sa ankle ni siya dula. First attempt, Hilap original from Kalasungay gini since birth. Second one, no good. And now Kahayagan comes the ball. And now Ordido, pass to Kahayagan. Great pass inside, fake, and okay. KBC na pa isa ka timeout and Angkol na pa duha. Duha ka timeout sa Angkol Ball Club. First attempt. Second attempt, wala. And Agot grabs the ball. And now Manos. Manos to Agot. To Pagutayaw. 15 to shoot. Into shoot. Pagutayaw drive. Yes sir, 2 4.
Doa kita. Oh, nagalit tayo. Gawas. Hoy.
For 3.
Bola na.
And now, for 3. Kahayagan fighting. Eyes for 3.